So your screen's going to look like this when you go to scratch.mit.edu. Unless you're logged in, it might look a little differently. You're going to go to Create. In this example, we will add backgrounds, but not sprites. Process will be similar, but I'm going to go over here to backdrops before I do anything else, and I'm going to hover over this picture and choose the Upload Backdrop option. Now I have 3 images I'm going to use for my facts. I know I need the Ludington statue in Downloads, so I'm going to double click on that, and then I'm just going to repeat that process. I'm going to go to Upload, and this time I want to go to Desktop, and I need the top 2. I can click on one, hold the Shift key down, and click on the other, and grab them both at the same time, because they were right next to each other. And that's how I add background images. Now, one thing I'm going to want to do, because there's lots of blank space around this, is I'm going to want to grab my selection tool and drag across this. And after I do that, I get these little bars that let me make it bigger. And what that's going to do for me is it's going to get rid of all that. I'm going to stretch it a teeny bit up. It gets rid of all of that dead space. And it's already called popularity. It kept the names of the files. I'm going to do the same thing for each of these pictures. Click and drag across. And then I'm first going to try to, I don't want to just drag from the bottom because it'll stretch. I want to use the corners first. And I'm just going to make them fill my screen. And then last but not least is my statue. And again, select it, then drag with those corners. And now I have 3 fully covered backgrounds. This one I don't need, so I'm going to select it and hit the trash can. And that's how you would add backgrounds. Now, if you're adding sprites, you're going to go into the library and you're going to search for sprites in here. For now, we're going to use what's in Scratch. Later, you will learn about PNG files with transparent backgrounds, and you will be able to add those as well.